Got some of my labels on tonight. Yeah, turned out pretty good. At least you can see what everything is. I may change the font later or something, put something else on it, I don't know. But anyway, alright, battery one's on. That's cool. Like I said, you can make this as big as you want. Make this as big as you want. Still ain't figured this thing out yet, but anyway. Yeah, so this is the master that turns the fuel pumps on, and then the alternator. This is my avionics master, so I'll turn that on. And voila! And I push the talk buttons, transmit. Passenger side, transmit. Yeah, chill guys. I'll work on the finishing up my wires. I gotta change or put these push to talk wires. I gotta wrap them up and put them into something. Then I've got to put all my Adele clamps to hold all these radio wires. There's my box I had to come up with. I had them mounted straight into this, and I forgot about this cable right there. When you go back and forth with the stick, the cable goes back and forth, and my jack's underneath, so I had to come above. I come up with this little idea. It seems to work okay. I like them just sort of sticking out to the front instead of up, so you don't hit them with your arm or something. So yeah, works pretty cool. So like I said, I'll work on these wires tomorrow, and then I'll probably start on my transponder. I've got it all wired up and everything. I just need to connect my GPS wire to my ELT, and yeah, it's looking good.